Cricket. Everybody is talking about cricket. Day before yesterday it was cricket. Yesterday it was cricket. Tomorrow is going to be cricket. And I only watch India Pakistan. I don't watch India New Zealand because I know we want to play with India Pakistan. But this morning, when I got up, I overheard on the news that this guy called Chris Gayle, he made century in some 47 balls or 37 balls, 49 balls. And it reminds me of days of Test cricket. I started thinking, Mahendra Amarnath used to take 5 days to make a century. 5 days! And this guy is doing 47 balls in 20 hours. And then it reminded me again of an incident when people used to say, nobody can hit a century in a one-day match of 50 overs. Oh, sorry, double century. And our friend Sachin Tendulkar came and created a record. And after that, so many did it. And yesterday, Chris Gayle created another record. What I infer from this, these are my reference points. Reference points for what? Reference points for we always play under our potential. Imagine Mahendra Amarnath in 3 days, Chris Gayle in 47 balls. It means the potential he also had. And Chris Gayle has crossed all the limits. And tomorrow somebody will come and hit century in 25 balls. Am I right?
Yes.
A lot of people will say, no, it's not possible. In those days we used to sing, in one day it's not possible to hit century. Today, think, in 10 hours it's not possible to hit century. Because somebody has hit century in 20 hours. Why I am talking about this? I am talking about this in context with my journey with Toastmasters. I used to see any new club get instituted, get started, and they play like Mahendra Amarnath. Stuck. And they used to become president distinguished club in 6 months, in 1 year, in 2 years, 1 year. People used to complete their CCs. And some people do it in 2 years, some people do it in 6 months. But when we started this club, over at Toastmasters, and if you remember my speech, we all promised that day that we were going to make this the best club of the district. Remember?
Yes.
That was not a joke. Because we talked about we're going to make this the best club of the district, but how? Can anybody tell me? Do we have a strategy? Do we have a plan? We said we want to eat this elephant, but how? We said we want to do this, but how? We need to know what we need to do to get there. Am I right?
Yes.
So today, we will actually create something and introduce you to something a lot of new members are not aware about. Wherein we all know where we are going and how we have to take those 10 steps to reach there. And we are going to break that record that Chris Gayle has created. We are going to break that, yes, 1 year, 6 months, we will do that in 3 months. It's possible. Yes, it's possible because it's you who will do it. You will decide whether it's possible or not possible. I speak to a lot of many people. They said, is it possible to do CC in 6 months? I said yes. Is it possible to do CC in 10 days? I said yes. Is it possible to do CC in 5 days? I said yes. Because it's possible. And that is what I'm telling you guys, that to make this club, the best club of the district. It's possible. It's possible. How do you do that? There are some vital signs. When you go to a doctor, what will doctor do? Doctor, I want to be the best athlete. Doctor says, let me check your vital signs. Is your knee okay? Is your blood pressure okay? How's your diet? And then he will tell you how many days you will take to become the best athlete. But I see the vital signs of this person. The kind of energy we are beaming with, the kind of passion we are beaming with. You start how the meeting starts, you see how the meeting finishes. This is the third meeting, but we are beaming with energy. Now what we need to do this energy with? We need to channelize this energy into right direction. Because we can jump around with a lot of energy, but may not be in the right direction. We want to channelize this energy in the right direction. And what is that right direction? Is where we want to be. We want to be the best club. And the first step in that is becoming President Distinguished Club. Are you aware about this term? How many of you heard about this term called President Distinguished Club? Okay, lot of new members are not aware about it. So if you don't know it, how will you achieve it? So we need to know about it. President Distinguished Club consists of 10 goals. If you achieve 9 out of 10 goals, you will become President Distinguished Club. Are you ready for the journey?
Yes.
Great. So, the first thing, I'm going to come from downward up. There are goals that are on the top. Second goal, third goal, 5 goal, we have 10 goals. So let's look at this chart. Can you see a tick here?
Yes.
Under 10, there are 2 goals, 10A and 10B. And the first goal is 10A is membership renewals. So we have already achieved that goal by becoming charter members of this club. Second, B part of it is uploading the EC on the Toastmasters website. We have already done that. Once in a year you have to do it, out of twice, on time. So we have already done that and we have already achieved the goal. Give yourself a big round of applause. Now, 9A and 9B. 9A and 9B is club officers training. There are 2 times the training happens. Some people were asking me this morning on the WhatsApp, what is this judges training? What are these trained judges? Okay? So as you grow in Toastmasters, you get to know what are those trained judges. Time will tell you. So under officers training, June have gone back. So we can't do anything. January, February has also gone back. So we can't do anything. But you know that our mentors have already trained all the officers about the rules. Am I right?
Yes.
So you don't have to worry about it. We are not worrying about this goal, even if it doesn't show on our dashboard. So let's come to the next goal. 4 more members. Means 4 members. And the goal, 7 goal is 4 new members, 8 is 4 more members. It means total 8 members. 8 members. Do you think it is achievable?
Yes.
It's achieved! We are already having 8 members. By next month, we will be having tick on both the goals. So we are done with 3. So, let's come on here. 1 CL and 1 more CL or DTM or ALP. Now, you all are doing various roles every day. The contest is coming. Somebody will become contest chair. Somebody will become contest master. And I am sure you will be able to achieve this goal in next few months. Because every day you are doing different roles. Somebody is becoming listener, somebody is doing timer, somebody is doing parliamentarian. But the only key is next time when you come to the meeting, bring your competent leadership manual and get it signed from somebody or keep a track of your role so that you know that we are doing CA. And then advanced communicator, 2 advanced communicators. How will you do that? We have members who are already on their 14th speech, 15th speech, and they have committed to us that they will be able to help us in achieving this goal. Now the most important is 2 cc's and 2 more cc's. We need 4 cc's. We have 2 cc's ready who are about to finish. But there are members who are at 3rd speech, 4th speech, 5th speech. We have to now work towards it. It is possible. It is possible to achieve those 2 cc's also. So if we achieve these 9 goals, easily we will be a president distinguished club. Because the kind of passion flowing in this club, the kind of journey we are having, the kind of energy we are having, nothing is impossible because this is what you love to do and you do well, Mr. Toastmaster.
The third speaker of the meeting, sorry, give a 30 seconds feedback to the Deepak speaker.